Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about genetic code. And in previous video we already learned about the processing of hnRNA and formation of matured mRNA. So you already know that DNA is important molecule of an organism, and DNA is also the master molecule in the cell that is initiates, guide, control and regulate the protein synthesis and expression of character also. And for that expression of character takes place through the specific protein. And protein is made up from the mRNA and mRNA is made up from DNA. So indirectly protein is made up from DNA. So now we are going to discuss our today's topic, genetic code. So according to Crick, genetic code is defined as the information stored on mRNA strand in coded language is called as the genetic code, and this genetic code contain code words is called as codons. So scientist George Gamow in 1954 suggested that a sequence of 3 codon on mRNA strand is called as the codon, and each codon code specific amino acid. Means this scientist Gamow suggested that a sequence of 3 bases on mRNA strand that is called a codon, and each codon synthesizes or code specific amino acid. So why each codon present in genetic code should have 3 nitrogen bases and not 1 or 2 nitrogen bases? So we know that 20 different types of standard amino acid present in cell, and these 20 different types of amino acid is essential for the synthesis of particular protein in the cell. And for synthesis of one amino acid, at least one codon is responsible or one codon is needed. And you also know that this mRNA strand contain only 4 types of nitrogen bases: A, U, G and C. So how it is possible to synthesize 20 different types of amino acid from these 4 different types of nucleotide bases? So reason behind these 3 nitrogen bases synthesize one amino acid is if each codon contains single nitrogen base, then there will be a 4 codon is possible, and this 4 codon is not enough to synthesize 20 different types of amino acid. After that, if each codon contain 2 nitrogen bases, then there will be 16 codon is possible, and this 16 codon is also not enough to synthesize 20 different types of amino acid. After that, if each codon contains 3 nitrogen bases, then there will be a 64. If each codon contains 3 nitrogen bases, then there will be a 64 codon is possible, and this 64 codon is more than enough to synthesize 20 different types of amino acids. That's why codon have a 3 nitrogen bases on their coded language. So this codon is triplet is suggested by the George Gamow in 1954. After that, in 1961, Crick evidence the genetic code is triplet. Genetic code is triplet was first evidence using friendship mutation. Crick first evidence is genetic code is triplet by using the friendship mutation. After that, Nirenberg and Mackay, these two scientists able to synthesize artificial mRNA contain only one type of nitrogen-based uracil. These two scientists synthesize polynucleotide chain, and this polynucleotide chain contain only single amino acid, that is U polypeptide chain. After the synthesize, this artificial mRNA contain polynucleotides. These scientists again synthesize artificially protein, and this polypeptide chain of protein contain only one types of amino acid, that is phenylalanine. So after this scientist, Dr. Hargobind Khorana again prepared a polynucleotide chain with no repeated sequence 2 or 3 nucleotides. So in first chain, these scientists use only 2 types of nucleotide, that is C and U. This C and U repeated nucleotide present on mRNA, and this chain of mRNA synthesize only 2 different types of amino acid polypeptide chain contain only leucine and serine. After that, the scientist Hargobind Khorana again synthesize artificial mRNA, and this artificial mRNA contain 3 nucleotide repeated sequence, that is CUA, CUA, CUA and CUA, and this chain of polynucleotide synthesize only one type of amino acid in polypeptide chain, that is leucine. So finally, these 3 scientists, Nirenberg, Mackay, Dr. Hargobind Khorana, despite all the 64 codons in the dictionary of genetic code. And for this work of Nirenberg, Mackay and Hargobind Khorana also get the Nobel Prize in 1968. And Khorana shared this Nobel Prize with Nirenberg and Holle, these 2 scientists. So genetic code dictionary contains 64 codon. In this 64 codon, 3 codon is a stop codon, and these 3 codon not synthesize any types of amino acid. Only 61 codon synthesize the specific amino acid. And during the transcription or replication, the manner of synthesizing chain or DNA or RNA or mRNA molecules is कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी बेस पेरिंग. म्हणजे जेव्हा डीएनए वर रेप्लिकेशन होतं किंवा ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन होतं तेव्हा काय होतं, जो एमआरएनए किंवा डीएनएचा मॉलिक्युल्स बनतो, दुसरा मॉलिक्युल सिंथेसिस होतं, त्याची जी बेस पेरिंग असते ती कशी असते, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी असते. म्हणजे ते ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन होताना किंवा रेप्लिकेशन होताना काय होतं, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरीटी जे प्रिन्सिपल आहे ते लागू होतं. बट इन केस ऑफ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, प्रोटीन जे आहे, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस मध्ये काय होतं, अमायनो ऍसिडची चेन सिंथेसाइज होतं, त्याच्यामध्ये कॉम्प्लिमेंटरीटी जे प्रिन्सिपल आहे ते लागू होणार नाही. तर अशा प्रकारे ही जी आहे ही जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन किंवा इंट्रोडक्शन आहे कशाचं, जेनेटिक कोडचं. सो थँक्यू.